Our goals are raising awareness of the rich legacy of dragons as inspirations for a lot of cultural activity in the Northeast. A number of people know about, say, the Lambton worm, but really the Viking heritage is something you have to explain and you have to show again. So that's why we led an exhibition at Brancepeth Castle.
Seeing children come through, they're just excited and engaged, and it's fabulous. Things like the Lambton worm, they want for people to be spooked and excited and indirectly learning something. And that's, I think, so well caught and reinterpreted in all of the clay modelling, the imagining of noises and teeth, and seeing all the buzz of creative work that is the other part of the academic exhibition, I find really an eye-opener.
It was really important for us to get local communities involved, because obviously you can't really work on heritage without the people who are still part of this living heritage.
Well, we've taught two main techniques. One is black work and the other one is laid work or bier stitch.
Sewing and creativity has an important role, and the fact that it can be tied in with academia, all the better. And it doesn't matter where you come from and how much you want to develop your skills, you're always learning.
It's brilliant that they can use puppets and things like this to teach you about like local tales.
You could see the heritage through the room, and you could get involved in reading about the stories of their origins, and it feels like it all ties together quite nicely.
We just really hope that the uni does more kind of stuff like this, and would love to see the dragons again.
Well, the ultimate goal for us is we want to keep this tradition going, to keep these workshops which bring academics and students and locals together, to keep people interested in it, because it doesn't happen often enough. It is keeping the cultural heritage of the region alive, make it thrive, and give something back to local collaborators who have supported us very beautifully, and long may it continue.